wintry flurries around at the moment, but nothing stormy by any means. That's because we've got high pressure on the scene. That's the major influence on our weather at the moment. And if I zoom forward to Friday, show you Friday's chart, you'll notice that not a lot changes. We've still got high pressure out there towards the west, so the weather is going to stay fairly quiet and fairly settled. The winds, I think, throughout this week will be on the light side, although you'll notice we occasionally get these larger arrows just cutting in there across the southeastern corner, and they are north or northeasterly winds, so I think it will always feel a little on the chilly side towards that southeastern corner. Now back to today, and we do have some lovely sunshine around, I have to say. Crisp blue skies there across Plymouth at the moment, so it is looking quite lovely, as you can see, across many southwestern parts of the UK where we do have some sunshine. A little more cloud towards the north, and also if we look to the east, you'll notice some little speckles there on the radar picture. Now those are showers, mainly of rain and sleet, but we've also been seeing quite a few snow showers across many parts of eastern England, and they are going to be continuing through this afternoon. So perhaps some tricky conditions on the roads, could turn a little bit slushy where we do get a light covering in places. Always keeping that sunshine towards the southwest. Further north, well, the cloud will be thick enough for some spots of rain, particularly later on, I think, across the northwest, where temperatures will rise a little bit, so we should get as high as 6 or 7 degrees here, but for most of us a chilly feel for the day at just 4 or 5, and particularly along that east coast we've got quite a raw wind coming in here from the North Sea, cutting down through East Anglia and later into parts of Kent too, so feeling very, very cold. Now tonight, not a great deal of change really. We keep that wintry mix across those eastern parts of England, and as temperatures get close to freezing, I think ice could be a real hazard for drivers tonight, with those temperatures getting down to freezing or just below, especially where showers pass through. It is likely to turn very slippery on the roads and pavements. Now into the morning, we'll still have a few wintry flurries left over, I think, in the southeast, but those should gradually fade as the day wears on. And then we'll have this thicker cloud just moving its way down from the north during the day, initially bringing some sleet and snow, I think, to the hills, but then it should end up as mostly rain for most of us. And then later in the day, possibly something a little bit brighter for the likes of southern Scotland and Northern Ireland. Temperatures picking up a little bit across the north, 6 or 7 degrees here, but still feeling chilly towards that southeastern corner. Now into Wednesday, not a lot of change really, still lots of cloud around, perhaps a more persistent spell of rain moving southwards across the UK, and by Thursday, still largely cloudy, but should be a lot of dry weather too. Anna.